In this lesson, we'll add 2 clamping blocks to the vise and 6 inserts. Let's add the first clamping block first. Find the part in the folder. Open it. Select the by matings method. Click Coincidence. Select the face with the hole that doesn't have the countersink, and then select the bottom face of the plate slot. Check if the block has taken the proper position. Confirm. Click Coaxial. Select the cylindrical face of the block hole and the cylindrical face of the plate hole. Confirm. Now we need to rotate the block. We could use the coincidence mating for the plane faces of the clamping block and the slot, but the slot width might be more than the block width, making the mating impossible. So it will be better to use the parallel mating here. Select the block face and the slot face. Confirm. Confirm insertion. Repeat the same for the second block. Add the coincidence mating to the plane faces. Then add the coaxial mating to the holes. Click Parallel. Now I need to move the component, because selecting the plate face won't be possible otherwise. Stop. Select the faces and confirm. Confirm again and stop the command. The next part we need to add is the insert. There are 2 inserts in the folder. We'll start with the one that has 9 at the end of its designation. Open. Click By Matings. Select Coincidence. Select the plane face of the insert. Select the plane face of the prism. Let me move the insert closer to ensure correct positioning. Confirm if the insert's position is correct, or click the reverse orientation if needed. Add the coaxial mating for the first hole. And for the second. Confirm. We need one more insert, but we'll stop the command and try inserting it another way. Select the insert which we've just created in the tree. Hold down the Control key and drag the insert to the graphic area, holding down the left mouse button. Release the mouse button and then release the Control button. Then play the insert. Stop the command. So you can easily create a copy of any component, but this copy's position isn't defined. To position it, start the Place Component command from the context menu, or double-click on the component in the tree. Click By Matings. Add the same matings that we added to the first insert. Apply coincidence to the plane faces. Here I need to reverse the orientation. Confirm. Apply the coaxial mating to the first hole. Confirm. Note that you can select matings from the context panel. Let's do it for the second hole. Confirm. Confirm insertion. Now let's add the inserts to the second prism. Select the insert with 10 at the end of its designation. Click by Matings. Add the coincidence mating to the plane face of the insert and the door plane face. The coaxial mating to the first hole and to the second hole. Add the next 3 inserts to these 3 surfaces yourself. You can insert them one by one, or alternatively, you can add the second insert here and mirror these 2 inserts about the ZY plane using the Mirroring of Components command. You can find the file with the result in the File tab of the course page.